here, pristine grounds. We are out plowing. It's February 15th, day after Valentine's Day. Woke up this morning. Now there's probably 4 inches. It turned to rain. This other side. We're just gonna clean up as much as we can with all these cars here. At least this old man's actually parked over a good bit. We'll push it all the way down and then push it up in. Hopefully we can get up because that guy's a little far down. Alright, let's see if we fixed 4-wheel drive. I'm sure we did, but looks like we're good to go. Haven't had a reason to use it since we fixed it. Look at all that snow. Just that's that one pass right there. Get this a little better right here. I think we're just not even scraping on the ground. It ain't even touching right there. Make sure we don't hit that car. Put that there too. There. This guy, I normally turn around right there. I got my son with me today. He's shoveling the front sidewalk. He's probably not done yet because it's snow being so wet and like raining on it. It's super heavy. Yeah, we started sliding sideways there. slush is slippy. So we are spinning. Get the controller. This is how we do it. Turn that off. We got an error for some reason. So it is salting. Oh, air's gone now. Alright. Hell yeah, bud. Good stuff, good stuff. How's he doing? Miserable, probably. He hates having to work. Salt this, maybe. Air's gone still. Look at him go, he's so strong, getting him his big muscles. We're gonna push that up at the top one more time too, real quick. We'll salt this in between. Ooh, I don't think we'll clear that wood. Ain't no way, brother. Ain't no way. We're in the grass a little bit. We're in the grass. Cleaned up. Look at him, he look like he's having so much fun. Dad went and picked up his girlfriend and took them to have a little date last night. Paid for it all for him and then took her home. So he should be ecstatic helping Dad. Huh? Right? I was just telling YouTubes how much you should love your dad and how happy you look to be out working with him right now. Did you use up all that salt?
Yeah.
All right, we gotta salt this little walkway. Well, there's some in that pail. All right. We're just gonna salt this little area as we're leaving. We should be good here. Looks like the pre-treatment we did, being blacktop as well, really helped out. No snow kind of stuck. We're in a different city, little town, so it doesn't seem like they got as much snow either. So we're just gonna salt. Now you're gonna scrape that little bit. There's no point. We got Carter in the back recording. Plow a little bit. The truck's saying to change the fuel filter, but we don't have a stock fuel filter on this truck. We yanked it out. Looks like everything on the blacktop stayed pretty clear, and Youngwood didn't really get as much. A bunch of water. See all that water? We're not going to do these apartments today. They don't look like they need too much. They got pre-salted as well. Just yank it over out from there. Where's that curb at? Probably like about there, you think? Does that sound good? Ooh, right against it. How close I'll get? Ooh, right against it. Look at that. It's like nice. God, Jesus. salted. It don't look like it's salted now, 'cause it's melted in. But that's gonna keep the ground from freezing. It's the 16th now. It basically rained all night. Well, we were out yesterday. It started raining, rained all night. It's been raining all morning. This afternoon it switched over, started snowing. Now we got a little dusting here, but who knows what we have actually in town. So we're gonna go check out our sites. We'll put down some salt. I should probably make sure there's salt back there, and we'll get going. Let's put a little light. It ain't bad. Got a nice little coating, so y'all can kind of see. Maybe not. Sorry. We'll leave that down. Maybe that'll be a little easier for y'all. Good there. We'll smack this pool. Not hit you. Alright, we'll just salt this walk real fast, and then we'll go over to his other apartments. Alright, we'll knock out these steps real fast. We'll just do this walkway and then we'll be out of here. Driveway's got a little dusting. Handicap spot's fine. So we're gonna salt up here. Cut it on where we can hear it tinging. You know, we're gonna do this. We're on 8. Y'all can't see it, but I can see it coming out. We're gonna go around the top. Make sure this is coated well. Around the building, and we're gonna back up down the main spot again. First row, first lane. Spinner on 8, the auger's on 9 now. everything's covered. For the most part, we'll probably do this outer edge one more time. Down there a little better. I don't want to have to come back out here tonight, so we're going to put a little extra down just to guarantee it stays clear. We're going to go do the driveway. Although the plow trucks are out, we're finishing up. Breaking free a little bit. I want to get a little speed right here, you know. Four-wheel drives for sissies. Damn, it doesn't even look like I did anything. I figured I'd come back half hour, 45 minutes later to show y'all how clear it is, but it's not clear at all. So let's throw some more soap. So I guess it only makes sense to go check the other apartments. I mean, it looks clear-ish. We're gonna saw it again. So it was raining a slush mixture earlier. Now we got these light fluffy snowflakes, which is creating, I don't know, an inch of snow. magnificent. We got three more places. All right, turning. This one knocked out. Plow the sidewalk a little better, and then we're gonna salt all this. Salt, bro, like seriously? And our last one. Alright, so we out of salt. Maybe there's a little bit in the auger. What did we salt last? Yeah, it's good. We did 4 runs on 2 tons. But damn, man, there's a 2-hour delay tomorrow already. That's that one. We're gonna have to come back in the morning with some more salt. I ain't going and getting salt tonight and coming back tonight. It's not happening. There's a delay tomorrow, so we'll take care of it in the morning. We got a couple residentials still to take care of, but we'll do them in the morning, as well as resalt that one and go check all our other sites after we get loaded up with some more salt. I appreciate you watching. This wind's vicious. If you'd like to subscribe, if you haven't already, I'd appreciate it. Throw a comment on there. Like the video. It all helps. You can dislike the video as well. I don't mind. Hey, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Alright, we're back to school. It's the next morning. Just going to do touch ups. Put a little salt here where we're touching up at.